Here we have the 2012 and 2013 carrier heat pumps running while it's snowing out. They're affecting like 2 to 4 inches. I want to say that there's already about a good inch or two on the ground. You can see they're also rather frozen. But on the 2012 heat pump, the serial number is 4212E10784. Model number is 205HCC536A300. That's model number. And on the 2013 heat pump, the serial number is 0213E03950. Model number is 25HCC524A300. The here running, and you're hearing my neighbor's dog howling at me. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up now since there isn't too much else to say. But here we have the 2012 and 2013 carrier heat pumps running in heat mode during a snowstorm in Huntsville, Alabama. Over and out.